Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to make fish head soup at home. First, ensure your fish heads are impeccably clean. Rinse them under cold water, removing all gills and scales. Pat them completely dry to prevent splattering when searing. A light seasoning of salt and white pepper will enhance the flavor before cooking. This initial preparation is crucial for a clear, delicious broth. Next, heat a tablespoon of oil in a large pot over medium-high heat. Carefully sear the fish heads until they achieve a beautiful golden brown color on all sides. This step is vital for developing a deep, savory flavor. Then, add fresh ginger slices and crushed garlic cloves, sautéing them for about 2 minutes until their wonderful aroma fills your kitchen. Now, pour in enough water to fully submerge the seared fish heads and aromatics. Bring the pot to a vigorous boil, then immediately reduce the heat to a gentle simmer. Let it cook for at least 30 minutes, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Remember to skim off any foam that appears on the surface to ensure a clear and clean broth. Finally, incorporate your favorite additions, such as soft tofu cubes or crisp leafy greens, letting them cook until tender. Taste and adjust the seasoning with salt and a dash of fragrant sesame oil to your preference. This soup is best enjoyed hot, perhaps with a sprinkle of fresh cilantro and chopped spring onions. For more great tips and deals, check the description below, including a book that can truly change how you think about money.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.